In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if for some reason your screen always turns in that halfway down mode, and I'll show you how to disable that feature if you don't like it. This feature calls reachability, and it's designed to make easier to control your device with one hand. So now if I want to tap with that finger to the top of the screen using one hand, it can be difficult for some people. So if I now make a swipe down from the very bottom, it brings me to that mode. So now I can tap to the very top applications icon, and if you don't like this feature, you can disable it. All you have to do is go into settings, then tap on accessibility, then tap on touch. This feature calls reachability. Now you can disable it, and if you go to the home screen, now as you can see, if I make that movement, my display not becomes halfway down because I have just turned this feature off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.